can do this all night.
Hi guys, Kylie here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a haircut tutorial today as some of us are still in lockdown and can't get to hairdressers. I always cut my hair myself. I'm not professionally trained, I've just kind of taught myself, so I thought I would show you how I do it. I also apologise for the format of the video. I have been recording using my phone during lockdown as I've been at my parents' house, and sorry if the video is a little small. If, however, my videos have been of some help to you, please make sure you like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, put them in the comments. So I'm just brushing my hair through, making sure there's no tangles, and I'm using some hairdressing scissors from eBay, and then I'm also going to use some argan oil and some argan oil spray. So you can see my hair's pretty badly dry. I need a decent cut. I need to cut quite a bit off, as you can tell. To be honest though, when I leave it like this, it makes it easier to see which part needs cutting off. I'm just going to section my hair. I tried to keep the top part of my hair out the way because I like the front parts of my hair quite long, so I leave them till last. So I'm just going to dampen my hair with the argan spray and some argan oil, and then I'm going to use my fingers as a guide where I need to cut the hair off. I kind of sort of my fingers in a slant, so my hair's not dead straight when I cut it, and it adds a few like layers to it. You'll see what I mean in a second. So yeah, you can see I'm using my fingers as a slant as a guide for me to be able to cut where I need to cut off. And then once I've done this, I'll just sort of brush it through so it's all blended. As I mentioned before, because my hair is so dead, it makes it a lot easier to know what to cut off, as it dries quite quickly compared to the rest of my hair, and you also clearly tell it needs to go. Then once I've done all this, I just line the part I've just cut up and neaten it up the best I can. And then line it up with the other side of my hair and repeat. It's a bit trickier doing the other side for me, so because I'm right-handed, but I just try and do the best to make it easy and even.
Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me.
So now I've done that portion of my hair, I'm just going to tie it back out the way so that I can't accidentally cut any pieces while I'm focusing on the top parts of my hair. And then what I'm going to do is I split the top part of my hair into two sections. So the very top bit of my hair is the last, and I don't cut much off as the last sections. This middle section that I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the same amount off as I did the bottom, and it'll give me some layers as well.
Cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound.
Then once I'm finished with this middle section, I focus on the last part of my hair, cutting around my face and trimming the dead hair left. It's easy to see which bits haven't been cut by this point, if you can see what I mean. The front parts are really long. So I always cut the front of the hair to a diagonal so I've got shape around my face. And then once I feel that I've cut enough off, I just make sure it's all neat and even, and then I can go on to the other side. So when I'm brushing it through, I'm just making sure there's no long pieces that I've missed. Then once I feel that it's okay, I'll go on to the other side and do exactly the same.
Where I can see you so clear, all we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on.
Then lastly, I'm going to use the thinning scissors to give it a bit of dimension and add some layers. It's really easy to use these. They cut off any remaining dead hairs that you might have missed.
If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors.
Then after I've done this, what I'm going to do is just brush it all through, look out for any long pieces, and that's that. Here's the final result. I hope the video has helped you if you're wondering how to cut hair. Like I said, I'm not professionally trained, but this is what works for me. Anyway, till next time, bye guys.